Doc, I'm at the dam. God damn, it's big.
Every facility has its own generators, but without the dam, Sloan can't run his operation at full strength.
Then it's time to blow his dike.
Okay, I'm sending you the coordinates to enough C-4000 to crack that dam. Draining the reservoir will compromise the reactor's coolant system.
Doc, ready to bring the house down.
Just like when you saved me and my team in Quebec, when you caused that hydro plant's nuclear reactors to go critical.
I don't remember much before getting shot up. Playing as a kid, my parents, Vietnam War II.
I'm sorry. Good luck, Rex. We're counting on you to save us again.
Scan complete. Objective: breach dam and plant C-4000 along structural faults. Detecting cybernetic hounds. Robo-dogs can smell you, even while stealthed.
This one.
Use your dice to lure the robo-dogs away from your position.
This one will crack you up.
Objective partially complete. Proceed to the next structural fault.
Silence is gold.
Detecting heavy flamer units and their conveniently exposed fuel tanks.
Good night, sweet prince. Peekaboo. Splat. Surely can't. Surely can.
Objective complete. C-4000 planted. Please proceed to designated safe zone before detonating.
Time to bring the house down. I just hope this new C-4000 is as good as the old C-400. Nope, it's not. Doc, it's a no-go on the explosives.
Then find one of the engineers working in the dam.
There were civilians in there. But
I know just the man to help you sabotage the dam. Here, locate him through his personal tracking device.
Objective: rendezvous with engineer inside the dam.
Attention. Tomorrow night is chilling out.
he went out with a bang. His reflexes are shot.
Need to kill thousands of intruders in a hurry? Why settle when you can unleash the Terror 4000 on their communist asses?
Oh, baby. Where you been all my life?
Reminder: throw a cyber heart at the enemy so that nearby dragons attack them.
Eat it up, little dragon dude.
Attention. A new delivery of explosive red barrels has arrived. We request that all personnel exercise more caution around it.
Way to die on the job, dick shitter. He said blow me, so I did. Boom, baby.
Objective complete.
Are you Sergeant Rex Colt? Dr. Darling said you're some kind of hero.
I'm no hero. I'm just your everyday U.S. military Mark IV cyber commando.
Alrighty. You need to clear me a path to the reactor so I can turn the power down. I'm no cyber soldier.
Right. Then it's lights out for Sloan.
Objective. Protect the engineer.
What happened to protecting the men under your command, Sloan?
Only the strong can protect themselves. I learned that during the war. We didn't have what it took to win.
We nuked Canada into a toxic wasteland.
We didn't go far enough. But whoa, son, you gonna see some shit change. I promise you that.
I'll wait here while you do your thing.
Attention. Cleanup of mutagenic biotoxins on sub-level 3. Cleanup on sub-level 3.
Clear.
On my way. Well, look at you. Still alive and all.
You know what, Sloan? Your Omega Force is an Omega farce.
Well, C-Rex, who's the joke and who's the cyber god? Tell me something, Rex. Ever since they fixed you up with my combat programming, does that little voice in your head sound like you? Or does it sound like me?
What are you talking about, Sloan?
Well, maybe there's more of me in you than you got left to yourself. Or maybe you scared I didn't give you a reason to kill. I just gave you an excuse.
That's it! That's the bridge to the exposed reactor core.
Come on!
Get access to Coolant Lake. Release the cyber shocks.
I'll override the control mechanisms and send that baby into overload.
Then it's lights out for Sloan.
You, said that one already.
Lights out forever.
Okay. We are almost there, Sergeant.
Warning. Heavy electromagnetic distortion.
Oh, crap.
They locked me out! You need to override the shield's emergency bypass underwater. Remember, there are cyber sharks down there.
Scanning. Deactive. Underwater. Shark deactivated. Locate the next one. For a kiss. Kitty sharks. Whiskers. Objective complete. Rejoin the engineer and hold hands. And frolic.
You did it! Now I just need to hack the system and expose that reactor core.
Attention. No parking in the brown zone.
I'm opening the reactor shields. Don't let them kill me, okay?
This little piggy went to the morgue. I had my eye on it. This little piggy went to the morgue. Come down and face me, you rusty cum buckets. That's the money shot. Send for a medic so I can kill him too. I had my eye on him. I like the part where they blow up. Boom, baby.
You did it, Sergeant, but it's not overloading. You need to punch the reactor.
Objective. Launch the nuclear reactor.
Benji, no! Doc, I made it. But Benji didn't.
I'm sorry, Rex. He was a good man.
No, Doc. He was a real American hero.
A reminder to all personnel to wash your hands after using the bathroom. When you shake hands with someone, it's like they're shaking hands with everyone you've ever known, including your mother. And you wouldn't want anyone touching your mother, would you? Please wash your hands.
Rex, are you doing okay after that EMP surge?
Good as new, Doc. There's no challenge I can't beat.
I don't know, Rex. I'm pretty unstoppable in the Bishop of Battle.
Doc, you play video games?
Yes, Rex. Video games are a proven coping mechanism, like any hobby. They've been shown to improve hand-eye coordination, problem-solving, social interaction, and self-confidence. And no studies have managed to prove a correlation between video games and violence. Frankly, anyone who thinks games are bad for you is a fucking idiot.
Hey, whoa, Doc.
No, Rex. FUCK stands for Failing to Understand Our Capacity for Kindness. It's an acronym. Though I suppose this isn't a game anymore, is it?